Children, today we'll discuss about the kinds of roots. We know a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now, in order to find the different kinds of roots, the first thing that we need to find is denoted by capital D, and it is called discriminant. It comes from the word to discriminate, and D is equals to b square minus 4ac. We get three cases. Case 1, if D is greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it has real and distinct roots. Case 2, if D is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it has real and equal roots. The third case is if D is less than 0 or b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it has no real roots. Take the first type of question, which is based on what we have done just now. We have been given an equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0, and the question is asking you what is the nature of the roots. Now, if you see, the equation is arranged in its proper form. A is 3, b is minus 4 root 3, and c is 4. We need to find d, which is b square minus 4ac, meaning d will be, here b is minus 4 root 3, so minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. I get d equals to, if I square this, I get 48 minus, and I multiply this, I get 48. So on subtraction, I get d as 0. So since d is equals to 0, we have seen it has real and equal roots. So it has real and equal roots. Let's take the second type of question. We have been given an equation kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. We need to find the value of k, and it is given to me that it has real and equal roots. Children, first we need to open the bracket and change it into proper form, meaning I get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is 0. A is k, b is minus 2k, and c is 6. Now I have to find the value of k, and the equation says, the question says it has real and equal roots. Now we need to write, since the given equation has real and equal roots. Now what happens when the equation is given to have real and equal roots? I can write b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now substitute the value of b, which is minus 2k. Since it's a square, so whole square minus 4 into a is replaced by k because a is k into 6 equals to 0. If I square it, I get 4k square minus 24k is 0. I can take 4k common. In bracket I am left with k minus 6 equals to 0. Now 4k is 0 or k minus 6 is 0. Therefore k is 0 and therefore k is 6. So I get two values of k. One is 0 and the other one is 6.